Rosemary tea is a delightful herbal concoction that offers a refreshing taste and a range of potential health benefits. Making this aromatic tea at home is a simple and rewarding process. Whether you prefer it hot or chilled, here's how you can easily prepare a cup of rosemary tea to enjoy. Ingredients and equipment. 1. Fresh rosemary sprigs. 2. Water. 3. Honey or lemon, optional for flavor. 1. A small saucepan. 2. Strainer or tea infuser. 2. Mugs or teacups. Brewing instructions. 1. Begin by rinsing the fresh rosemary sprigs under cold water to remove any dirt or impurities. 2. Fill the saucepan with water and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. 4. Once the water is boiling, add the rinsed rosemary sprigs to the saucepan. 4. Allow the rosemary to steep in the hot water for 5-10 minutes, depending on your preference for strength. 5. Remove the saucepan from heat and let the rosemary steep for a few more minutes before straining the liquid into your mugs or teacups. 6. If desired, you can add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon for added flavor. Tips and variations. 1. For a stronger flavor, crush or bruise the rosemary sprigs slightly before adding them to the hot water. 2. Experiment with different amounts of rosemary to find your preferred strength of tea. 3. If you enjoy the combination of flavors, consider adding other herbs such as mint or lavender for a unique tea blend. 4. Allow the tea to cool and serve over ice for a refreshing iced rosemary tea on warm days. Brewing your own rosemary tea allows you to savor the natural, earthy essence of the herb while customizing the strength and flavor to your liking. Take a moment to appreciate the aroma and taste of this simple yet delightful beverage.